Stop by and take a look at the 2020 F-Pace. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.